Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use your PlayStation 4 controller on a PC using this program called DS for Windows. And I will have the link in the description to this website so that you can download it. So as you can see here, it says DS for Windows is a portable program that allows you to get the best experience while using a DualShock 4 on your PC by emulating an Xbox 360 controllers. Many more games are accessible. So now, what you want to do after that is you want to hit download, and it will take you through a setup process. Then after that, it should have an option to run it. If not, go to your downloads or wherever you place the file, the download file. Then you should see this, and then you want to click on DS for Windows. And then this is where the controllers will pop up. So let me plug in my controller as an example. Now as you can see, this is the controller profile ID. This is the battery status. It also choices up your controller while you're playing it on your PC, which is also pretty neat. So I'm going to show you an example of the game using the DS4 program to show you that this works fine. Now as you can see, I am running Roblox with the program. As you can see, this works pretty neat. And it works. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you next time.